Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today's video is a haul on some good finds, and if you're interested, continue to keep watching. For this first item, we purchased this crystal lamp at Pier 1 for $45. At the time we purchased the lamp, it was missing at the very top a knob of some sort. So they marked it all the way down to $45. We have been looking at this lamp for about a year, and at the time it was $179, and we didn't want to pay that much. So when they said $45, we grabbed it. We absolutely love this lamp. We purchased this crystal candle at Burlington for $19.99. Believe me when I say this candle is so detailed, we could not pass it up. Looks beautiful in the daytime, and at nighttime it glistens so beautifully. And also we picked up the smaller candle days later at Marshall's for $4.99. We purchased these two vases at Home Goods, and we love the fact that it had the glass mixed with the metal, and it's really nice for spring. So what we're going to do is put some spring flowers inside of these vases, and this will eventually be some type of DIY. The slim vase is $12.99 and the wide vase is $14.99. We purchased these two identical vases, one shorter, one taller, and we purchased them at Home Goods. They also will be a spring DIY to put flowers in. The shorter vase is $7.99 and the taller vase is $12.99. Target had a really good deal on their stone chargers. They were clearanced out at $7. The original price on these stone chargers are $24.99. So we grabbed 4 of the chargers, all that Target had. And these chargers will be displayed in a DIY. So the starfish comes 4 in a pack. We purchased these a while back at Marshall's. The great thing about the starfish is you can do so many different types of decor. You can do a beach theme, you can do a spring theme, winter theme. It's really all year round, and it can be used for so many things. And they were $4.99. And we will be displaying these in a DIY as well. For the next item, we purchased 4 decorative bows at Target. They were on clearance for $7.95. The original price on these bows were $24.99. So we got a great deal, and the bows are very unique, and we absolutely love the style of the bows. Also, the vase at the back was originally $19.99 and it went down to $9.98. When we went to pay, the vase wound up being only $5. Moving on to the next item, we absolutely love these chic pillows. You can dress them up or you can dress them down. You can decorate them on a bed or a couch. They do unzip, so you can take the pillow out and you can actually wash the pillow and the pillowcase. So moving on to the next item, we purchased this at Kirkland for a really good deal. It was $69. We wind up getting this particular home decor for $24. And we grabbed it because it was on clearance and it was glass and metal, and you can decorate it with beautiful decorative balls. We purchased these metal leaves from Target for $2 and some change. And they only have 3 metal leaves left, and we have a DIY in mind for these metal leaves. So moving on to this chic throw. This throw is absolutely beautiful. The quality is amazing. We got it from Marshall's. It was $19.99 and we absolutely had to have it. We looked for more throws like it. They didn't have any. This was the only throw, so we had to grab it. The quality is so nice. We are in love with this particular throw. We are on the look for more throws like this. So when we saw this throw at Marshall's, we had to have it. Did end up purchasing a plush throw that is absolutely beautiful, very thick, and we also purchased a shabby throw that was absolutely beautiful and super thick. Each throw was $19.99 and absolutely beautiful, and we love all three throws. The next item is a plush pillow that we purchased from Home Goods for $14.99. This plush pillow is very good quality, very soft, and we absolutely love the feel of it. For the next item, we purchased this decorative home decor from Pier 1. It was normally $80. We got it for $50. It is a metal piece, and you can place decorative balls inside of it. If you wanted to use it for some type of bathroom decor, you can also put towels inside of it. So it is a very sturdy piece and very good quality, and it's very unique. We have some flame wine glasses. We purchased them at Marshall's for $12.99. They are very unique, and we saw a DIY project with this. We took them out, looked at them, and they are uniquely made, and they are very beautiful glasses, and you can do several DIYs with these glasses. We absolutely love them. We purchased these wrought iron book holders at Kirkland for $9.99. We looked at them. We like the design, the carving in the book holders. We are going to change the color, and we are going to bring a DIY with both book holders. We have something very unique in mind that we would love to try with these book holders. So we do have a DIY coming really soon with the wrought iron book holders. We purchased this home decor from Ross for $19.99. I know that's a little costly to some, but it is a solid piece of metal, and we love the beautiful carving that is inside of this metal decor. You can use it for home or a bathroom decor. You can put towels in it or decorative balls. This is also another decor that can be used several different ways. You can use it in your kitchen, your dining area. You can use it in your bathroom. You can use it for decorative balls. You can use it for displaying your coffees or displaying towels. There's so many things you can do with this piece of decor. And it was $7.99 at Marshall's. We purchased this at Home Goods for $7. We looked at it and said this was a very unique piece. We are going to change this color of this home decor, and we are going to do a DIY with it. We purchased this candle holder for $9.99 at Home Goods, and we purchased it as a display for our DIYs when we do our DIYs for the holidays. So this is a candle holder for the holidays. This next item, we purchased these two cotton, steel, and glass holders from Marshall's for $7.99, and we have a upcoming DIY that we will do with these two cotton holders. This was a purchase that we made at Target. It is a heavy piece of wood. It's a tray, and you can use it for whatever you choose to use it for. You can use it and display big decorative balls, which we're going to show you in a moment. So as you can see, you can decorate it with decorative balls. But what we're going to do with this piece of a tray, we are going to change the color. We are going to lighten it up some. So we are going to have it a stained white. It's going to be really pretty when it's finished. So that's just one example of what you can do with this heavy tray. It is extremely heavy. It's a big piece of solid wood, and we paid $49.99. We went back and they had it cheaper than that, and we winded up paying $12 for this heavy piece of solid wood. So this was an outstanding price. They did do a price adjustment, so we were happy about that. So we purchased this round vase from Target for $7. When we got to the front, it was not 12 and some change, it was only $7. So that's what we winded up paying for this vase, and we will be doing a DIY with this particular vase. When I tell you that I love this plaque and I had to have it, this plaque just represents my mother to the fullest. When I saw it, it popped out and I said I have to have it. So I'm going to do a DIY with this plaque because I want to put it in a shadow box and I want to hang it up because this is the way I feel about my mom. This would be a nice DIY for Mother's Day. So this is the last piece left in this haul, and this is a wooden mirror from Kirkland. It was $112 that we paid. The original price on it was $149. It is a sturdy piece of wood and it is very unique. And so this purchase was a good one. So this does complete our haul for today. And if you enjoyed this haul, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you on our next video. Bye.